Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing some smoked burger, but we're going to be adding a little extra on this one. We're going to be adding some chorizo on it with a little bit of onions in the chorizo. So it's going to be really good. So this is Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. All right, guys. So you guys heard it. We have our beef chorizo that we're going to be doing right here. So we're going to cook it in this little pan here. So I'm going to cut my onions, put it in there also so it can cook with the chorizo. We have our 80-20 ground beef right here so we can make our burger. And for the rub that we're going to be using today, we're going to be going with some Holy Cow barbecue rub. None other than Meat Church. You got it. All right, so let's go ahead and start making this burger. Before, make sure you guys hit that subscribe because we have now finally reached our 10,000. And thank you guys for reaching this. Very excited, very happy. Thank you to everybody. Let's keep it going. A lot more to come. So let's go ahead and get into this burger. So since I'm gonna make one, so I'm gonna do a nice. There's no binder. I last time I did it just like this. Didn't need to add anything. I know some people like to add stuff. If you guys want to add it, go ahead. I'm just giving you guys the idea. You guys can make it your own. So we're gonna make a nice, thick, juicy patty. This is how we're going so far. We just press it in there, just get at least somewhat rounded. And then we're gonna be adding our rub. All right, so now that we have our meat ready for our rub, all right, let's go ahead and add our Holy Cow. This is one of my favorite rubs that I love to use. So for this burger, I figured it'll be perfect. So let's go ahead, let's get that sucker in there. Let's go ahead and pick this up. Add rub on the other side. Get that maximum flavor in there. Yeah, just like that. That's good enough. All right. So that is our first part that we're going to do. And you guys have probably noticed our table doesn't move no more, right? Got a new table. This is like a kitchen island table. Very nice. So love it. It has all these drawers on this side where I keep all my rubs. I keep my gloves, everything. Love it. Wife gave me this. Pretty cool, huh? So the chorizo. We're gonna go ahead and give it a cut from this side. So we're gonna add like half. So we're gonna put this in there exact same time as we put this, because this is gonna take about around the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and I got half of the knife. And we're just gonna cut them in little thin slices. All right, so now that we have our onions all cut, we're gonna add them in here with our chorizo. That way they cook in the chorizo and you get that flavor with the chorizo and the onions all together. Oh my God. You guys are really gonna like this. Now we have all this ready. We're gonna have our Traeger grill at 275 degrees. The burger I'm till it hits about 150, 155. That's where I like it. Now, if you guys like it more red in the middle, it's gonna take a lot quicker time to cook. But for me, that's how I'm gonna eat it. You guys can eat it how you guys like it. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Traeger. Now that our Traeger has hit 275 degrees, let's add this right in the middle. And we'll be back when it's ready. And also our chorizo right in there. It's been about 25 minutes. The burger's looking really good. So we're just gonna give a little stir for chorizo. You know, it's looking in there. Look at our onions. Yeah. Let's see where our burger's at. Almost there. We're back. All right, so it's been 45 minutes. We're good to add the cheese now. about ready to come out. Let's go build this burger. All right, so here you have it. We have everything done. Our chorizo smells so good with the onions in there. Ooh, it's just that extra touch that you're gonna add to your burger. All right, put this down here. So I want to go ahead and toasted the bun. So I got my buns toasted. Everything smells delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and add our mayonnaise on both sides of the bun. Just like that. Pick up our nice and juicy burger. Perfect size for the bun. Perfect. Now, so we have our pre-shredded lettuce. We're gonna add up in there. So it's gonna be real simple. We're not gonna have very much stuff to it. Look at that. I'm excited for this burger. So before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, now we're ready. So this was an idea that came from one of the subscribers, Fatner's Greek. He sent me an email once, said, imagine having a burger with chorizo. It's like, wow, chorizo is good. Adding with the burger, that sounds like a really good idea. And he might have been right. Look at this. Oh, man. Let's get into it. Mm. The chorizo taste with the onions. Mhm. That is really good. Wow. If there's something that you guys really want to try on this channel, this is one of those things that you guys have to try it. And it's so easy. Um, just find yourself one of these. This is actually the thing that I sell for the Blackstones for the grease trap. I like to use these to cook also because it just makes it easy to cook something like this small. You need something big. Love it. Hell of a recipe. Hell of a cook. I hope you guys really like this video. Thank you for everything. Make sure you guys subscribe. Really helps the channel to reach that next milestone. We're gonna jump to 20,000. Okay, from 10 to 20. Let's go. Keep it up. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you guys next time.